So I just got my hair done. You can't really tell in this lighting. Dark brown, and then when I go under like the sun, it looks light brown. Good morning. Good morning, Astro. Hi guys, it's Trish. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a day in my life for you guys. I wanted to do like a normal day in my life vlog, just kind of show you guys what I do. I just got this cool package from an Amazon seller called YITAHOME store, and I'm so excited to open this package. So excited. But yeah, I just wanted like a shoe organizer, and I'm so excited to open this package. So we're gonna open it because it just came. So this is the package. Cute little knife right here. It's kind of heavy. I'm gonna show you guys how I organize my shoes. I'm gonna keep these boxes in the closet. It looks so cool. So this is basically a stackable shoe box from YITAHOME. Check them out. I'm gonna link it down below. I'm so excited. I think I have to build it. So it comes with these. Let's build it, guys. I'm really excited for this. Ooh, and that's like the little cover. Okay, we're gonna build it. Expander genie, black tray with holes, cover door. I think, yeah, it opens up like this. This is going to take a while. So this is the little shoe organizer. I'm actually so hyped right now. I'm so excited to use this. I think it's so cool and super easy. So I'm gonna build everything else, like all the boxes, and then I will show you guys what it looks like after. So I just finished building all the shoe boxes, and I'm so excited. Can't believe that was honestly so easy. So I just put all the shoe boxes in the closet, and I'm so happy right now. It looks so good. Let's do a little haul. This is so exciting. So I got my Amazon groceries. This is from Whole Foods, so it's really nice, super convenient, and also like it was pretty cheap. Surprisingly, I thought it would be more expensive. But so these are the eggs. It's this brand. So this is the Minute Maid Berry Punch. My favorite chocolate milk. It is vegan. Yeah, it's plant-based, and it's by the brand Ripple. This heavy whipping cream. This is my favorite brand. It's organic. Chips Ahoy I've been craving. And then this is my favorite cookies from like those European box cookies you get during Christmas. This is my favorite, so I'm happy that they come in like actual packages. Egg noodles. I'm excited to try this for my pasta today. This extra virgin olive oil, I'm running out, so I thought I would get a new one. Pineapple chunks. I love to use this for my chicken. Tomato paste. I got this soap. Why did they? Okay, that's great. They put it in this plastic bag. This is my favorite one. I just wanted to try out this mini crispy crabless cakes. I love looking at groceries. They're just so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna put these away. I'm gonna drop these packages off, and I just put it in this Urban Outfitters bag, which I really love because it's like super big and it can fit everything. I just finished my workout and it feels so good. So now I'm gonna head back and make some dinner. I really want pasta, but yeah, I feel like going to the pool later, so I might, because it looks really nice outside. So I might do my work by the pool area. Okay, I'm gonna go. Hi guys, so I just finished shooting a little bit for Angel Cove. I did some not mirror shots, just like some couch pictures. Basically, I like to sit here. Super basic setup, but I love to do this and it turns out super good. And then I also did take some for these dresses. And so I just got this really cool package from Bubble and I'm working with them, and they're also launching in Walmart, so I have to shoot at Walmart like this weekend, I think. But yeah, it's so cute. I love the packaging. Lanza Hair Care, and I'm working with them for a TikTok video. I'm so excited. I love their products. But yeah, they sent me a bunch of hair products. I think I'm mainly promoting the CBD ones, which is really cool. I've never tried a CBD hair product, but yeah, this is probably gonna be so calming, which I'm so excited to try. So I just made my favorite pasta. I didn't make enough noodles, or like the actual pasta, because I usually tend to put too much and then it's way too much, so this is better. And then I'll just make more pasta if I want to eat it later on, because there's too much sauce in here. But I'm obsessed with this thing. It's so good. But I'm trying this different type of pasta. It's egg noodles from Whole Foods, and it's organic, which I love. Hi guys, so I just had dinner and I chilled for a little bit, but I'm gonna head out to the pool now so I can get some work done, because I'm kind of like just in a lazy mood right now, and I feel like if I stay inside I'm not gonna do anything on the computer. So I'm taking my cute tote bag with me because I have my laptop. Yeah, I have my laptop in here, and then a top from Princess Polly, and then my skirt is from PacSun. Wait, no, not PacSun. This is from American Eagle. Guys, so I'm at a pool now. I'm just doing some selects for Style because I'm doing a collaboration with them. Okay, so I actually want to get sandals instead. These are like really cute block heel sandals instead of like one of the items. Yeah, this is really cute. I don't want anything like this. I think I'm gonna get like, what color? Let's see. Oh, I'm so happy I got this done because it takes me hours to do it. And then I'm gonna head back. So I'm back from the pool and I'm gonna take a shower now. This is my bathroom. It's kind of messy right now because I just have like stuff out, but I'm gonna clean those. And I have my favorite neon light that I got from Amazon. But yeah, I'm gonna take a relaxing shower. I love to shower with this on, just this on. I don't do it every night, but I like to do it when I just feel like I need to. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm basically just gonna get ready for bed and do more work on my computer and probably pack some orders, but I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I need to just get those things done, so yeah, I can sleep and continue tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future, and I will see you guys next time.